Hi there. Hi, we are back again. Yes, in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Monday, September the 7th, 2020. The fifth puzzle is a binary puzzle. And this will be a number 1482. Yes, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row, in a row, there are, or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Between two O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And then between two O's comes an 1. And look, we have here 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. And then we have here double O, here 1 and there 1. And look, we have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And then between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 3 O's in this column. If I place the 4th O here, cannot, because 3 O's in a row, so this cannot be an O. This should be an 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between two O's comes an 1. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. And then we need to compare. Look, this column and the last column. O, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, O, O, 1, 1, empty box. We need to switch these two numbers. We have an O here, so this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finished in 4 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one, binary. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a moment, with the last Sudoku of today. It will be a tectonic, aka Suguru in Japanese. So see you later. Bye bye for now.